Today I'm going to take you through a HIIT interval cardio session. So on a watt bike you can use a spin bike. What I'll start with is do a 5-minute warm up, just get the joints nice and ready. And then what I'll do is go through 8 intervals. We'll do 15 seconds sprinting on a low intensity and then continue the speed, keep the speed high and then crank up the resistance on the bike for another 15 seconds. Then take a 90-second rest, then repeat that 8 times. So it's pretty savage, get your heart rate super high, get your blood pumping and get some fat burn. Quads are on fire. So that for super fast, efficient time fat loss, when you've got time to burn fat and you want to be burning fat quickly, very effective. So 8 more rounds of this, 90-second rest now, and it'll get some lot of calories burnt, get you lean very, very fast. Doesn't look hard, but it's fucking something else. Pedal until you see God. So for savage. So if you run 8 rounds of that, 15 seconds to bring speed up, 15 seconds to bring intensity up, and then do a 90-second active rest, 8 rounds of that, you'll burn a hell of a lot of fat. So let me know what you think of this. HIIT spin interval cardio peak. Give it a try, comment below, like the video.